This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. We are out here in Beaufort, Georgia, July 14th, 2015, and here we go on another step repair. Let's roll. Right on now. Right there. Alright, cut it back up. There you go. That's one thrown up. Walk it up, baby. Walk it up. Alright, cut the one on the left off. Alright, cut it back on. Back off. We're just walking it up 6 inches, that's all. Another day in the park with JSA. Look at there. Look at there, folks. Alright, cut the right left one back on one more time. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott with JSA Foundation Repair. We are located in Cumming, Georgia, May 12, 2015. And we have a stone veneer wall that is cracking across the front of this traditional house. And this veneer is actually real stone, and it's only the veneer, not the foundation moving. So we have dug down and cut out the footing to install 2 piers. And I am now going to go ahead and crank the machine and see if we can close those gaps right there a little bit better. Lift this wall up. Here we go. There it goes. Stone going right back in place right there. And what we'll do is we'll get it a little closer. We'll tap the wall in and finish it up. But I wanted to show how we lift this wall. Get it back plumb straight level. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott again with JSA Foundation Repair, part 2. As you can tell, we brought it right back up again. I wanted to show the final video of us jacking this thing back up. Closed up those cracks over there as well. We will do a little bit of mortar work around that window, but as you can tell, it is a big difference, and it's almost exactly plumb straight and level back to the original position. Another quality job done by JSA. This is Scott England again with JSA Foundation Repair, and we are located in Woodstock, Georgia, Eagle Watch subdivision. It's May 2nd, 2018. Customers call us out. They got a deck going along the front of the house, all the way down on both sides, and they've got 4 columns set on. But this video right here initially is going to show that we've dug down through all that fill dirt, put in a pier, gone out about 20 feet. And what we want to do is go ahead and raise this column. However, we've got a jack in there, as you can see, holding that deck up, and we want to now try to bring this brick up to there flush, because that's how much it settled. Okay, so I'm going to hold this video. Crank that up, Chris. And we're going to see if we can show this lift. Okay, here we go. Jack on it, Grayson. Give me a little pump right there. Give me a little bit more. You want to heat or stop right there? What we're doing is we're making this flush. That's good right there. Okay, now last video. Let a little pressure off. Well, actually, that's perfect. So I wanted to show this part first, and then we're going to pull a string down through here all the way across and show this whole lift. I'll film part 2 here in just a second. Today is September 24th, 2013. We are in Lawrenceville, Georgia, on a house that the garage center column has started to settle. We've installed a piering system underneath the footing, and you can see how much gap there is in between the doors. So we're going to go ahead and crank our machine. That's our hydraulic interpack machine, and see if we can raise this center column up. There we go. So you have a good bottom down here first. There's the pier installed at the bottom. That's the garage height. Takes a little bit of time to do it, but look at that, going in.